Hello friends, welcome back to Open It Up. We are back with a new video of unboxing of a bat care kit which I just got received from Braun Internationals from Mirat. We have got it via India Post. So without a delay, let's get started with the unboxing. So we are expecting that we will get 5 things inside it, which is a toe guard, a face tape of the bat, a edge tape, an adhesive, and let's see whether we have got all these things as per their promise or not. Let's keep aside all this debris. The packing is a bit disappointing according to me, not that good as you can see. So here it is a toe guard, a face tape, I guess, no, the edge tape, it's the face tape, I guess, and linseed oil or bat oil, and adhesive through which we can fix this in the bat. So for today, that's all. Stay tuned with us for more videos and interesting videos in near future. Thank you.